Flexible or too rigid? Have you driven away a great worker because of your policies? What if you're losing great people at hindi mo pa pala alam na nangyayari yun? I remember Betty's story. Si Betty ay owner ng isang general merchandise na tindahan and she had this great employee. 2 years na sa kanya, alam lahat ng suppliers, mga regular orders at mga customers at sobrang trusted siya. One day, etong employee na to approached her to ask if she could adjust her schedule. Ang reason niya is to take care of her mom who just got out of the hospital. Ang sabi niya, I understand, pero sana maintindihan mo rin. 9 to 5 talagang schedule natin para fair sa lahat. Ayokong magkaroon tayo ng issue with the rest of the team. And after a few weeks, her employee resigned. Hindi naman galit, pero kailangan niya talagang mag-focus sa family. Nako, nahirapan si Betty. Kahit na may replacement, iba talaga kapag experience na ang empleyado. Yung bagong kasama, kailangan paturuan lahat, mga suppliers ng products, yung mga paborito ng regular customers, lahat. And Betty realized that she should have been flexible. Mas mahirap pala ang mag-train ng bago kaysa sa pag-adjust ng schedule. Di ba? Minsan, yung mga small adjustments naman ay mas okay kaysa sa mga malaking changes later. Kaya anak, eto ang lesson. Consider the individual situations of your team. Sometimes being understanding is beneficial for your business in the long run. Kaya anak, value mo yung loyal employees mo ha. Mag-adjust ka kung kailangan. Mas mahal ang palitan kaysa sa pag-accommodate. Ganyan ang mga business-minded Pinoy.